What if I told you humanity's return to the moon just got delayed again? Yes, the mission that was supposed to put humans back on the lunar surface might not happen the way we expected. NASA's Artemis III, once seen as the next giant leap, is now surrounded by uncertainty. So what really happened? And is NASA slowly backing away from sending humans to the moon? Let's rewind for a second. Artemis III was supposed to be historic. It wasn't just another moon mission, it was planned to land the first woman and the next man on the moon. This mission was part of NASA's Artemis program, designed to build a long-term human presence on the moon, and eventually send humans to Mars. But Artemis III had one big promise: to land humans near the moon's south pole, a region never explored before. So what went wrong? The biggest issue? Technology delays. NASA is depending on multiple systems to work perfectly together: the Space Launch System rocket, the Orion spacecraft, and most importantly, the Human Landing System. And here's the twist. That landing system is being developed by SpaceX. Yes, the same company led by Elon Musk. But building a moon-ready version of Starship is proving harder than expected. Originally, Artemis III was expected to launch in 2025. Now, it's been pushed to at least 2026, maybe even later. Why? Because testing these systems isn't easy. Starship alone needs multiple successful launches, orbital refueling, and safe lunar landing tests, none of which are fully proven yet. NASA doesn't want to rush this, because when humans are involved, failure is not an option. Now here's where things get interesting. Some reports suggest that Artemis III might not immediately send humans to the moon's surface as originally planned. Instead, NASA could shift focus, testing systems in lunar orbit first, which raises a serious question. Is NASA playing it safe, or quietly stepping back from its moon landing ambitions? The truth is, this isn't a cancellation, it's a strategy shift. This isn't just about one mission, it's about the future of human space exploration. If Artemis III gets delayed too much, it could impact moon bases, international partnerships, and even the race to Mars. Countries like China are also planning lunar missions, so the pressure is real. The moon is no longer just a destination, it's a strategic goal. But here's the deeper truth. Space exploration has always been full of delays. From Apollo to the space shuttle, nothing ever went exactly as planned. And yet, humanity always moved forward. Artemis III may not happen on time, but it's still one of the most ambitious missions ever attempted. So, is NASA giving up on the moon? Not exactly. They're just making sure that when humans finally step back onto the lunar surface, they do it right. Because this time, we're not just visiting the moon, we're planning to stay. If you want to see how humanity plans to build cities on the moon, and what comes after Artemis III, make sure to subscribe. Because the next chapter of space exploration is just getting started.